Very good morning from London. Has been a relatively muted session in Europe. The market shrugging off the two major news stories we saw overnight. Firstly, out of China, a miss on the headline GDP at 7.6%, below the 7.7% expected, but not as bad as some were fearing, and we're still above the governmental target in China of 7.5%. But nevertheless, the miss on the headline data has refueled the suggestions and expectations of further easing measures from the PBOC, and on the back of that, the Asian bourses all managed to finish in negative territory. Alongside that, moving back to Europe, Moody's downgrading Italy by 2 notches to Baa2. That leaves Italy 2 notches above junk rated at Moody's, but the markets again rather nonplussed. Euro-dollar currency did dip to a low in overnight trade, but we have been in a relatively tight range across the asset classes. In terms of the Italian economy specifically, we've also had BTP taps out of Italy in the morning session. The new 3-year BTP, the on-the-run line, did garner some attention, and with the yield coming in lower than the previous with a generally solid bid to cover, there was some risk appetite filtering in with the euro currency and the stock futures moving to the upside, but the move was a generally fast money move, and once the euphoria of the Italian auctions had died down, we went to pre-announced levels with the Italian 10-year yield coming back off the lows there, and the Italian 10-year bond yield spread over bonds continues to trade in widening territory. Otherwise, nothing really else to look forward to in the European session. Continued rumblings out of Spain that the Spanish regions will have support if and when they are needed, with the Spanish banks only to be recapitalised for those that are viable, but nothing too new out of Spain. Market focus will turn to the US, where we have the PPIs and the Michigan confidence figure, and also we have the headline earnings out of JP Morgan today, the first of the big banks to report in this season, and we'll get a benchmark then of how the US earnings season will go from there. But otherwise, that's enough from me. Hope you have a good trading day.